Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Python Programming for Beginners series. In this video, we'll be talking about constants. In our previous videos, we'll be using variables, and we talked about how to name your variables, how to assign values to variables, and best practices in naming your variable. So in Python as well as other programming languages, variables can have a value assigned to them, and you can also reassign values to variable. For example, if you have the variable of name, if you assign value of John to name, so presently the value of the variable name is John. Down the line, you can as well assign another value to variable name. That is also permissible in Python. So you can say possibly you've performed various operations. You can say now you've declared the variable name to be John, and then you perform some operations along the line. Down the line, you can also assign another value to the variable name. So you can say name is now James at this point. So this is very valid in Python. But when you talk about constants are also variables, but their value are not intended to be changed. For example, if you have pi, possibly you are programming a calculator and you have some constant that their values are not supposed to be changed. Values like pi, values like Euler's constant and stuff like that. So you use constant for such cases. And how do you define constant in Python programming language? To define constant in Python, all you need to do is you write the name of your variable using capital letter, just like you write your normal variables using small letters. To define constants, you use capital letter for that. For example, if you want to define a constant of pi, you write pi all uppercase, and then you write the value of your pi, let's say 3.14159, and it goes like that. So this is how you define constant in Python. If you hover over pi now, you are going to see constant, but if you hover this name, you are going to see variable. So this is a variable. The values can be changed at any time along the line, but this is a constant. The value does not intend to be changed. One thing that you should take note about constants in Python programming language is that Python does not enforce the rule for constants not to be changed. That is, you can as well change the value of constants if you so wish. So I can say pi is 5. This is also permissible, but the idea behind writing the name of constants using all uppercase is that this is a means of passing message across to other developers, other programmers, that the value of this variable is meant not to be changed. So whenever you are programming or you are working on a code base that you see the name of a variable written in all capital letter, that is indirectly telling you that you should not modify the value of that constant. Alright, so that's that about constants in Python programming language. I will see you in the next lesson.